So today we are at Santa Cruz. No, not the one in Mumbai. We have come here to meet a very close friend of mine, Dryden. Wave. So this guy is a expert, you can say, a geek, a nerd when it comes to bikes. And today he will be explaining to us Putoline, its lineup, and where different type of lubes can be used for which kind of vehicle and what purpose. So Dryden, what is that in your hands?
So this is basically Putoline 1001 penetrating plus PTFE lubricant.
Okay.
Okay. The main purpose of this product is it's I would say is better than WD-40 or
What you
Asphalt.
saying, dude?
Yeah.
Okay.
So and the plus thing point is you don't get the bad smell that you get in WD-40.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a multi-purpose product. You
Okay.
can use it for cleaning of small parts where there is rust,
That squeaky sound thing.
the squeaky sounds of your levers, then your most of the moving joints,
Okay.
and even your footrests.
Moving joints. I wish my old age could help me with this loon.
The next product is Putoline Silicone Spray.
Okay.
Okay, it's a multi-purpose product for all painted surfaces
Okay.
and dashboard parts.
Okay. How does it help exactly?
So it's basically like say for example, you see your engine
Yeah,
area
it's
over here,
faded light.
it's completely faded. Okay, so I'll just show you a small demonstration. Spray it, leave it on for a couple of minutes.
Okay. Minutes or seconds? Well, you can try it off now still.
And then just wipe off the excess.
Okay. Well, guys, you can see the difference between both the engine components. Yep. There's a vast difference.
So you can use it on the engine, you can use it on your
Guards.
guards, which are like say powder coated, has a matte finish. So the matte finish areas go dull after a couple of years. So you can use it over there as well. Just show you small area. So yeah, you see the difference.
Yeah. You can see the difference
Yeah.
in the guard itself.
Okay. You can use it also on your calipers.
Okay.
That's the area that gets faded more often. The next product is Putoline chain and engine degreaser.
Oh, what
Okay.
is this?
We can use this product for getting rid of any oily and
Surfaces?
greasy surfaces.
Okay.
Okay. Plus you can use it for cleaning your chain and say like you have some oil deposits on part of your engine and all, and then you need to find out where exactly that leakage is coming out,
Okay.
whether it's coming out from the filler cap or whether it's from the clutch cover gasket. So you can spray this and then clean off with a cloth the
Not
excess.
bad.
That's
Brian,
it.
tell me one thing.
Yeah.
Sorry to cut you off.
Yeah.
You said it. We can use it as a chain cleaner.
Yeah,
Unlike other cleaners, does it leave a residue?
it doesn't leave a residue,
Oh wow.
and it's a very fast acting. So say other products, you need to spray a lot of amount of the cleaner
Okay.
to get the dirt
Probably
off.
that is why the residue remains.
Yes. So this you just spray a very minimal quantity. So like you take a full rotation with one.
Not bad. Not bad, dude. It's the same decreaser, right? And the chain
This is
cleaner.
the engine chain degreaser.
Oh, okay.
An engine degreaser.
So cleaning the chain. Ooh, my bike's getting clean.
Okay. So this is the result after using the chain cleaner and engine degreaser.
Nice. So we finally come to the thing, main thing, lubing.
Okay.
What is this?
So this is Putoline tack chain, ceramic wax.
Okay.
Okay. This is ideally a best product I can tell you for nowadays bikes because it doesn't leave a sticky finish.
Okay.
So the main thing about we use bikes on a day-to-day basis. So the thing about chain loops, it is very sticky. So which attracts a lot of dust, grit,
Muck and all that.
and
And
muck. So
And we already taken a
yeah,
picture of what Mug can do.
so basically, like that is a factor, like that your chain, doesn't last a longer time because of all the grit and all. So in consideration, like we hardly focus on the chain maintenance. So this is
Okay.
one product that will keep your chain dry as well as lube.
So I believe Putoline has another like couple of different types of chain
Yeah,
loops,
we
right?
have another two kind of chain loops in Putoline. One is, the first product is your tech chain, second is Drytec, and third is the DX11.
What are the differences between the three?
So basically, they are like somewhat like dry lubes only, but
Okay.
colorless. This is a ceramic wax that is it. See, once you spray it, it doesn't leave a sticky residue. So
Okay.
DX11 we basically use it on high-end bikes like say your 1000 cc bikes.
For like track day
For
purposes,
track day purpose, DX11 is used more.
it's more
When
viscous.
it's you can say it's viscous, but it doesn't leave a sticky
Okay.
feeling on your hands and fingers.
Okay.
Whereas Drytech we can use it for off-roading purpose
Because it
because it
it
is
would take in less
yeah
dirt or
it
mug.
doesn't take in leisure. And this you can use
This is
for
your regular bike chain, yeah.
everyday purpose.
Do head on to Custom Elements, our website, and the variety of products are there along with the pricing. So do head back there. So let's do the lubing.
So it comes with a nice seal over here. Broke off the seal.
Something he likes. Shiny.
So this is what the ceramic wax looks like. You can always wipe off the excess from here.
Okay, so the good part is this is not going to drip like other chain loops after lubing.
Yeah.
There's a drip residue that forms below the chain as you keep it to form and dry on the chain. So this is not going to happen in this, right?
Yeah, this won't drip. And plus, for the starting it is little wet, but after you leave it for a couple of seconds, it becomes like a powder.
Oh, nice. So, Dryden,
Yeah.
thanks for having me. And
You're
thanks for
welcome.
tolerating my bullshit and all the questions and queries. And this has been very, very informative. And the whole lineup of Putoline. Do head out to Custom Elements to check up the whole lineup that we have, the prices, and the various other products which include gear and accessories. And for any bike related query and your superbike service, I'm putting Dryden's description and details, sorry, Dryden's details in our description. The excitement is getting to me. At the same time, see you in the next video. And if you guys have any kind of queries or any questions, do put it down. We will get back to you. See you.